Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I want to talk to you about how you can mine cobalt in Hytale. So chances are, if you're like me, you're new to the game and you've tried mining in a couple of different areas. So for example, I've tried to mine plenty of different areas in the starting zone. I also tried some of the highland areas here, the autumnal areas, but it was when I got into the desert actually that I found that this had the greatest spawn of materials. You can even find sometimes that there are just rare earths on the surface here. So for example, we've just got some silver here, but if you want to go and get cobalt, you want to have a look and see if you can find something like this. So this is an NPC mine that spawns in, and if I come in here, I'm just going to show you really quickly now, it's absolutely full of rare earths. So we've already got some cobalt just here, as well as some iron, but if I come further down, you'll see just how much rare earth is actually available. So just here, just going to dodge the skeleton if we move further down. So yeah, we've got an entire vein of the stuff just here. I'll just quickly show you with the torch. So yeah, plenty of cobalt here. And not only that, if we go further down again, and I just come over and take you down here, I've even found gold down here, more cobalt, we've got some thorium over here, and this mine is absolutely full of the stuff. So we've got more thorium over there as well. And yeah, this is absolutely full of rare earth. It's a real miner's paradise. So yeah, look for one of these mines in the deserts. You want to come down here with a pickaxe. I'd definitely bring some food because there's quite a lot of mobs down here that you'll have to clear. But once you've done that, it's an absolute miner's paradise. So I hope that this tutorial has helped, guys. Please do give a like and follow if you found this useful. It really helps. And thanks for watching.